In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to use base URLs and asset coding using IronPDF in C#. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use base URLs and asset coding using IronPDF in C#. Before we start, make sure that you have the required IronPDF library installed. You can do that using the NuGet package manager. I've already done so we're going to go ahead and move forward. So let's go to the program.cs file. And first, import IronPDF and set the IronPDF license key to unlock the full potential of the IronPDF library. Next, we'll instantiate a Chrome PDF renderer to handle the PDF renderer process. Define a base URL for your assets. This is crucial for resolving paths to images and other resources in your HTML. Create an HTML string that includes an image with a relative path. Render the HTML to PDF using the render to HTML as PDF method, providing the HTML string and the base URL, and then save the generated PDF to a file. Next, let's add an HTML header that includes images. We'll set the header options with max height and the path to the image and base URL. We'll render the HTML as a PDF. We'll add headers to it. And then we'll finally save the file. You can also set a custom CSS URL to style your HTML content. Define the CSS path in the render options. Render the HTML to PDF again with applied CSS, and then save the result to a file. So now let's take a look at the image encoding. Start by importing the binary data of an image file. Convert the binary data to a base64 string, which allows embedding the image directly in the HTML. Render this HTML to PDF, ensuring the image is displayed correctly. And then save the final PDF with embedded base64 image to file. All right, so let's run the project and wait for it to generate our output PDFs. And there you go. The PDFs are pixel perfect and incorporate the assets elegantly to preserve the HTML structure and design. And that's it. You successfully learned how to use base URLs and asset coding using IronPDF. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and subscribe if you like some more helpful tutorials from us. Until next time, take care.